Hey guys, this is Adrian with TechPro Audio and Video. We're back at it again. We're here in this lovely neighborhood. We're gonna go ahead and install a whole home audio system for this wonderful customer. We've got some very nice features planned out for it. It's gonna be a Denon 940 manual speaker selector and a Eero whole home Wi-Fi mesh network system. So let's go on in, let's start. Let's show you some of the equipment. Hey guys, so now we're inside the house. So the first thing we did was go ahead and plan out the equipment location. We have our modem here. We're going to start working with our Eero network. This is the our preferred system that we use is Eero. This is going to cover about 1,000 square feet per unit. We have 5 coming in this house to give them maximum coverage. We're also going to install a 2-zone amplifier for distributed audio, along with the other components that are going to go with it. So right now our technician here, Mark, is going through the wires, toning and tagging to identify the different rooms in the house. We'll keep you posted on the developments for this install.